Hey folks, in this video we're going to talk about if statements. If statements allow you to branch code based on a condition. So if something about the world or something about an object is true, you do this. If it's false, you do this other thing. And that allows us to make our program a little bit smarter. So let's say we wanted to change this last line, and instead of saying am I a contractor, true or false, let's say we wanted to say an employment status, and the employment status could be a contractor or a full-time employee. Well, we can do that by saying something like val, right? We can do something like if employee.contractor, right? Then do this, otherwise do this other thing. So we can say if the employee is a contractor, then the status equals contractor. If employee is not a contractor, then the status is a full-time employee, right? Let's just say it's full-time. And so what we can do is we can say status, and instead of passing in employee that is contractor, we can just say status. And I'll just make a syntax change here so that we can assign the result of this branching logic to status. So if we go back to our main file and we run it, you're going to see that the first person is a contractor, and that's true, right? This if statement, this is true, and so the status is going to be assigned to contractor. In the second case, JT is contractor is false, so this if statement is not going to be executed. The else clause is going to be executed. And so in that case, the status is going to be full-time. And then this is syntax for putting that status in the string, and now we have the changes that we have below. Hope you learned something. Talk to you in the next video.